someone that you know does your hair right, stick to them. If you see me in my journey, it's like you know, every time I went somewhere else, it was a bad idea. Yeah. But anyways, hope you guys are having a fantastic Saturday. Here in Hawaii, it's been raining off and on. I keep staring at this thing here. Don't mind, it's all red. But anyways, yeah, it's been kind of raining. Not too much where I live, but the Hawaiian Islands, some of them, like Big Island and Hawaii, maybe they're really being flooded. I'm not, yeah, but as you can see, look, it's very cloudy out there. The thing is not like raining hard where I am living. Yeah.
2,000 years later.
Good morning, sunshine. So this is my hair. Like after, like when I sleep on it, it's just like, it still looks nice. I think I need makeup so I don't look like blah, 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 yeah? But anyways, good morning, guys. So, what was I gonna say? I'm just gonna vlog today. Continuation from yesterday. I was supposed to go to our company party, but just wasn't up to it, so I just stayed home. I wanted to go, but then, it's okay next time. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna just probably clean house and stuff. Maybe, we'll see what happens. Really? I don't know. Maybe she thinks I'm playing. Yeah. Why is it gonna eat your food? Gonna eat your food. Ah. Ah. Okay. Eat your food then. All right, I got the inspector here. Okay, but I'm taking. Look at this girl. Okay, so I'm just taking all my pillows out. I think I'm gonna wash the cases because I got it all in there. And yeah, try to do like a cleaning on this couch. Yes, can I help you, sister? Alrighty guys, so I did clean house. I didn't finish up my vlog, but I got my son's birthday, so I'm headed out there now. But I'm loving my haircut. It's simple, easy to take care of. It's not like when I have my longer hair, like even just up to here, it's like so much. I have a lot of hair, so it takes me a long time to iron it and all that stuff. But right here it's like simple, dry it and then just iron, and then it's good. But yeah, so this is my haircut, and hope you all enjoyed my small little vlog for today. You guys take care. God bless. I will see you all in my next upload.